Hi guys, today we are looking at and previewing this new PC security software which basically monitors, tracks and records all computer activity. It's called Invisible Cop. Let's see what it does.
Hi, I'm Anju Rawat. I'm housewife. My son is in class 12 and he's 18 years old.
I'm Mrs. Aparna Sedavkar. I have two children, one son and daughter. Daughter Aishwarya in 9th standard and son in the 3rd standard.
He spends a lot of time on computer,
Less is productive.
almost 5-6 hours.
They say they are sitting on computer for projects. Projects is only a reason and they are all wasting time on computer.
His computer activity is not productive at all.
We are trying to keep a track of what they are doing. That time they are doing the project work. Otherwise they are playing on computer using Facebook,
Downloading movies and songs.
chatting.
All parents try and do as much as they can do for their children. They try to ensure that they monitor their children well and safeguard them from the internet and computers. A good parent will always know where the child is playing, what the child is doing, and whom they are meeting.
But due to the ease of access of technology and internet, knowing what your child or spouse is doing becomes incredibly difficult. It's almost impossible to tell what happens in their home or school.
In fact, inflation is causing most metropolitan families to adopt a working lifestyle where both parents are working, and the bonding within a family weakens with each passing day. Children usually stay alone at home quite a lot, and it's difficult to see how the child spends his or her time at home on the computer.
Falling grades and poor results become the order of the day, and it becomes difficult for parents to understand what the child is doing on the computer. Even men and women seem to be sitting and working on the computer all the time. What goes on in reality is hard to tell.
Teachers, the first thing the teachers are telling us, make your child study more instead of wasting time on computer. So I think they should study more, stop using computer because they are using computer for unnecessary things. They are not using it actually for productive work.
Our children, they never listen to us and whatever they want to do, they can do. They say, yeah, mama, I am doing this work. But actually he was working in Facebook, he was chatting with his friend.
Yeah, we should not be stopping because actually they can do productive work also. If you know what they are doing on computer, I don't mind allowing them to sit on computer because it always increases knowledge also.
Let's see what this boy is doing behind his parents' back.
And this is what he does even when his parents are around.
We know that the younger generation is way ahead of its time and in general is a faster and smarter one. It is mostly due to easy access to the internet and access to unlimited information. This also gives them the power to get whatever they wish for onto their desktop in a matter of minutes, be it good things or evil.
In fact, if a young guy wants to watch explicit or adult content, he can simply stroll into a DVD rental store and pick up a porn DVD in a fairly easy way.
Besides which, there is cyber hate, hate crimes and social threats, revenge, and much more that can be seen aplenty even on seemingly harmless social networking sites.
Amidst all this comes a path-breaking software called Invisible Cop, which will certainly put an end to such activity and make sure your family is secure. When we say family, it's not just kids, it's even adults who nowadays tend to stray frequently thanks to readily available stranger chat rooms and public forums where meeting new and interesting people is just a click away.
I don't have any such software, I have no idea about any such software. If you really have some software which you can keep a track of what our children are doing, I would be very happy and I would be the first person to put that in my computer.
Yes, it would be helpful if this type of software we get in market.
Clear your doubts, clear your conscience. Have a healthy family.
Have a connected family. Build the trust that was missing in your relationship.